Yeah. Okay. Welcome to hunting lessons. Today we'll just shoot. This is just for you to see, well, how to use a bow. I'm not going to tell you tips. The camera's just going to be on these and the tags. Now we're going to call deers. Can you hear that? Okay, can you see it, the deer? Okay. Watch closely. Watch closely. Hey, it's on the wrong way, man. Okay, thank you. But do you want to scare that deer? Of course not. I forgot. Okay. Get behind cover. Just point at the phone. Let's go check it out. Look at that jug. It's good. Look, you left a lot of blood on there. Okay, now, come on. This is the end for this one. I know it was short, but I had planned to shoot.